Options trade alerts, October 2022. You can take the 7-day trial at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. That's beststockstrategy.com/memberships for the options trade alerts. All right, October 2022, October 3rd, solid opening, very strong day. S&P up 93, VIX down almost 5%. Solid start to the month. October 4th, another strong day. S&P up over 112, VIX down 3.4%, VVIX down 6%, Amazon up 4.5%. The only issue here is that the VVIX was down significantly, but VIX was only down about 3.4%. And generally speaking, when the S&P is up over 100, especially with elevated volatility, you should see a decrease in VIX by about 8 to 10%, given the increase in the S&P. October 5th, so just to clarify on that, so because the VIX didn't decrease significantly based upon the increase in the S&P, it leads me to believe that there's less conviction in the overall market and that this uptrend will continue. S&P down 30, the S&P at 3 o'clock or 1 hour prior to closing, it made its way all the way back and was actually up. October 6th, decent opening. The market was up substantially overnight. October 7th, S&P is down significantly. We'll have to roll the Google 102 put strike later today. This is the suggested trade. If you like to roll it though, you can reduce the strike by $3 by extending duration by a few weeks while also receiving a credit. October 10th, decent opening. Let's observe and see how the market is trading later. The 11th, very solid. The market was down significantly, but now it's trading up. The 12th, solid opening. The 13th, the market opened down significantly, but it's rallying at the moment. At 1 o'clock, about 3 hours, 2.5 hours prior to closing, the market seemed like it was encountering a very strong turnaround day. October 14th, solid opening, S&P down 87, volatility up very slightly, Amazon down 5%, Apple down over 3%. BLK expired today. We didn't roll it because volatility on the long put was too high. October 17th, very strong move up. The volatility continues. Unfortunately, I'm not convinced that this move is sustainable since volatility has barely moved. Usually a 90-point move in the S&P with a VIX this high should see a 10% drop in volatility, but VIX is down less than 2%. S&P up 95. VIX down only 2%. VVIX down only 4.5%. Would have liked to see a larger decrease in volatility. October 18th, strong move up. Then you can read that comment. Highly encouraging. The S&P is strong. Still, VIX is not down much. S&P up 42. Decent drop in volatility given the increase in S&P. Still, the lack of vol decrease is a bit concerning. The 19th, solid recovery. S&P down 25. VVIX actually down almost 2%, which is a good sign. The 20th, solid opening. Market was down last night, has rebounded and is up. The 21st, not a bad opening. The market has rebounded as it was down much more in the overnight futures market. I'm going to take ownership of Microsoft because I feel that the upside potential is greater than the profit from rolling the position to another strike and then collecting some additional premium. There is the suggested roll. If you wanted to actually roll out Microsoft, you can roll it forward by about 3 weeks and reduce the strike price by $10 and also pick up a pretty substantial credit of about $300 for every contract that you would roll. S&P up 87, but again, volatility barely down, only down 1%. The 24th, solid opening, S&P up 45. The 25th, very solid opening. Third straight strong up day despite volatility not falling nearly as much as it should. Here are two suggested trades. Today, is one of the first days in a long time where volatility is behaving like it should. As a result, I want to wait an extra day. But I also recognize that Google and Microsoft report earnings later today and that there will be a premium crush with those underlyings once they report later. The 26th, we open up a new trade in Google, new opening trade, B plus grade, picked up over $100 for every contract that we sold. Price action is decent. The S&P has fought back and is positive with a relatively decent decline in volatility. New trade on Waste Management, new opening trade, B plus grade. As a spread, I'd sell the 150 and buy the 140, picked up $120. Solid opening, S&P up around $20. Volatility is mixed. Let's see how the market is trading later on today. The 28th, S&P up 28. VIX down over 2%, VVIX down 3%. Amazon, new opening trade, B plus grade. We sold a spread, picked up about $1.37, which is actually quite a lot of premium for a $7 wide spread. S&P up 94, VIX down 6%, VVIX down 5%, Amazon down almost 7%. The market behaved typically as there was a large volatility contraction with today's move up. The market had an excellent week, especially considering that Amazon fell significantly today. It seems like the market is stabilized. Well, I think it's too early to declare that. However, if Monday and Tuesday are stable without large down moves, then it's safe to say that the market is stabilized. All right. This is October 2022 for options trading alerts and options trading signals. You can visit beststockstrategy.com/memberships and enroll in the 7-day trial. It's only $19.